Okay, so today we are going to be making liquid soap, body wash, whatever you want to call it. I have tried so many recipes, so many techniques of making liquid soap body wash, and I have not been happy with any of them. I've made some with cast iron soap. I've made cold processed liquid soap, and this recipe is the only one that I have been happy with. The ingredients don't separate. It gives a nice foamy lather, and it's just a thick body wash. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to get a little mixture of glycerin, and you can use xanthan gum. I have guar gum, so that's what I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be making 16 ounces. So I'm going to measure out 0.96 ounces of glycerin. Oh, that was pretty damn spot on. And then I am going to need 0.16 ounce of the guar gum. But these scales don't always pick it up. Okay. So this is going to help thicken up your body wash. Okay. So then we're going to mix that together, and it's going to be kind of like a slime consistency. You can see that. Okay. So now we are going to phase B, and we're going to get our SLSA and measure out 1.6 ounces. And it's probably best to wear some kind of mask or a respirator with this stuff. Now we are going to take our cocoa betaine, and we are going to measure out 0.96 ounces. This is also like the easiest recipe that I have found too. Not only is it the best, but it is so easy. And now we're going to take our glucoside and measure out 0.8 ounces. So we're going to mix this. And this is going to form like a kind of a paste. And we're going to add our glycerin gum mixture here. Now I'm going to get 10.7 ounces of distilled water and add that to our paste here. So now I am just going to put this on a double boiler for a few minutes just to get all of the ingredients to mix thoroughly. Come back after that is finished and show you what it looks like. Right now it's kind of like a milky consistency, but after it is heat it up and mix thoroughly, it will be clear. So I will be back. Okay, so it took about 10 minutes on double boiler for everything to dissolve, and the more it cools off, the more, I guess, clear it will get and kind of gel-like. But this is what it looks like now. So I'm added some pink mica to some of it, and now I'm going to add some fragrance oil. I'm going to add this ruby red martini fragrance oil. And then I'm also going to add in some preservative. And there you have your body wash. So let's go test it out. Oh, look at that beautiful foam. Oh. And you have a gorgeous body wash. Look at all those bubbles. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and hopefully this is the last body wash recipe you will ever have to try, because it is for me. Alright, I'll see you later.